Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we are looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on August 18, 2025, which was 3 days ago. The big idea is a structured case for agentic science, where AI systems move from partial helpers to autonomous scientific partners that propose hypotheses, run experiments, analyze data, and refine knowledge with minimal human input. The paper is titled From AI for Science to Agentic Science, a survey on autonomous scientific discovery. And the implications for how we organize research are quite significant. In short, this paper unifies fragmented views into a framework of 5 core capabilities and a 4-stage discovery workflow across multiple scientific domains. Alright, this figure lays out the 4-level evolution of AI in science, which anchors our discussion of agency. On the left, Level 1 shows expert tools that act like computational oracles. Moving right, Level 2 depicts automated research assistants that handle parts of the workflow under human oversight. Then, Level 3 highlights full agentic discovery, where systems plan experiments, run them, and analyze results with minimal guidance. Finally, Level 4 gestures toward generative architects, proposing new methods across fields at global scale. Building on that, this figure shows how the pieces fit together, from base capabilities up to domain outcomes. At the bottom, 5 foundations appear: planning engines, tool use, memory mechanism, collaboration, and evolution, which together enable agency. The middle band lists 4 core processes, moving from hypothesis generation to experiment execution, data analysis, and finally, validation and evolution. At the top, those processes materialize in domains like life science, chemistry, materials, and physics, so the stack forms a coherent research framework. Next, this table summarizes the planning and reasoning engine, organized into 3 paradigms that shape how agents think and adapt. The first block, reasoning structure, spans linear chains for step-by-step plans and non-linear exploration, like tree of thought and Monte Carlo tree search, which probe multiple futures. The second block, adaptation mechanisms, covers react loops and self-reflection, so plans adjust mid-course. The third block, interaction channels, highlights human feedback, collaboration between agents, and robotic execution that grounds decisions in real experiments. Now we zoom into the core process diagram, which lays out a 4-stage loop that can reorder steps as results arrive. The left panel covers observation and hypothesis work, moving from knowledge ingestion to structuring and then automated hypothesis formulation. The second block details experimental planning, with optimized plans, dynamic tool integration, and automated execution or simulation. Next comes data analysis, including multimodal extraction, structured interpretation, and hypothesis filtering. The rightmost block finalizes synthesis and validation, adding critique, self-correction, and adaptive refinement, so the cycle keeps improving. Closing the loop, 2 takeaways stand out. The 5 foundations and the 4-stage workflow give a practical blueprint for building autonomous scientific partners, and the early case studies suggest real, lab-grounded impact alongside open challenges in validity, transparency, and ethics. Thanks for joining the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.